Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I do these pretty cat eye nails. So if you're interested in watching me do this tutorial as well as a builder gel application, then definitely keep on watching. So I've already did my cuticle and nail prep prior to this, so if you do want to see that, then definitely check out my other builder gel nail video. But I did go ahead and wipe the nail with some alcohol, and now I'm applying nail primer to all of my nails, just getting ready for that builder gel application, making sure the nail is nice and tacky. I'm using the builder gel from Model 1s, and I'm going to start with a nice thin slip layer, bringing it as close as possible to the cuticles without getting it on my skin or the cuticle area. And once you do that, don't cure it. I forgot to mention I'm also using my non-dominant hand to do this application, so I'm definitely going to be a little bit slower, but we'll see how this goes. So now I'm starting with the application. So I'm taking a good amount of gel, bringing it all the way to the apex, and I'm going to swish, or I don't know how to say it, sweep side to side, lightly dragging it all the way down and towards the free edge of the nail. And then eventually I take a liner brush and I'm going to drag any of that gel product towards the side walls of the nail, bringing it as close as possible without getting any on my skin, just because you want to make sure the gel is evenly distributed. And then I'm going to turn my hand upside down just to get that builder gel to really level. Once you're happy with your application, you can go ahead and flash cure that for a few seconds, and then I'm going to repeat that on the rest of my nails. Make sure when you apply your gel, you don't get it on your skin, so go very slow. I really take my time during this because I don't want any gel seeping towards my skin. That can create lifting as well as skin allergies, so just really take your time. And if you do get any gel on your skin, just make sure to wipe it off with like a flat brush before curing. Once you're done, you're going to cure the whole hand for 60 seconds, and it should look something like this. I really like how it turned out. Now we're going to do some of the Born Pretty Cat Eye Gel Color swatches. So this is the first shade. It's a really pretty gold color, and I'm going to apply 2 coats, and on the second coat, that's when I'm going to use the magnet to create that cat eye effect. So I just bring it over, and that's what it looks like. So that's the first shade. For the second shade, it's this really pretty green, and I'm going to be doing the same thing. I'm going to apply Actually, for this one, I applied a nude color underneath, then I applied the green on top, and then I used the magnet. And for this is a nice purple shade, and it's such a pretty purple, but you can play around with them however you want, do whatever design you like. And this is one of my favorite shades. It's the really pretty blue shade from Born Pretty. And I'm still trying to get used to using the magnet. Sometimes I find it so hard, but yeah, here are what the shades look like. Okay, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using this pink shade from Born Pretty. Before I apply that color, I'm going to be using this jelly pink shade from Beetles, and I'm going to do 2 coats on all of my nails, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds afterwards. Make sure you don't get any of that gel polish on your skin. Go really slow. I do have this sped up a little bit, but I actually go extremely slow whenever I apply my gel colors because I don't want to get that on my skin. You can get contact dermatitis, which is not good for you, but also if you get it on your skin, it will create lifting. So now I'm going in with that beautiful pink shimmer shade, or the cat eye magnet shade. It could be used as a shimmer as well, like it looks so pretty. But anyways, I'm applying a generous amount. Once I'm happy with how that looks like, I'm going to take the magnet and I'm going to basically bring it next to the nail. So you're going to see what I'm going to do in just a second. But yeah, I bring it close to the nail, just towards the side, and then you get that really nice glass cat eye appearance. I don't know, it just looks so pretty, but I'm going to do that for the rest of the nails and you guys can just watch. And I applied my top coat and cuticle oil, and here was the final look. I really liked how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching. Bye.